everybody, I'm Katella, and this is my helping hand, Melanie. So now we're going to make the volcano today. So I will ask you one question. Why is it called that? Oh, right, because it explodes just like a volcano. And who knows why it does? Because there's a base and an acid. This can sometimes be lemon, but I'm using vinegar. So let's get started. Safety first. Let's go. 2 tablespoons of baking soda. I'm going to use my funnel because I don't know how to pour very good. One more. Now we're going to put 2/3 of vinegar. Yay! And there's your reaction.